a simple piece of metal, soon to become a stunning golden masterpiece. But how does a blacksmith turn raw steel into something this beautiful? Let's find out. The blacksmith starts by shaping the blade, carefully forging it to perfection. After refining the edges and smoothing the surface, it's time for the magic. Plating the knife in a brilliant golden finish. Every detail, from the intricate engravings to the polished handle, adds to its elegance. The result? A gleaming decorative knife, fit for display. Steel, fire, and craftsmanship, transformed into pure gold. What should the blacksmith create next? Let us know in the comments.